Hi there. When we get stuck with any software or application in Windows PC and cannot even close it by clicking cross many times, then we need to go to Task Manager. Then find the application and then end task. So boring. Now Windows made it easier with their latest update. Simply come to Taskbar and right-click. You will find the End task here. But you need to manually activate the option. Come to Settings. Under System type Advanced. Come to Advanced System Settings. First you will find the END task option. You can switch it off and on here. Here you can see all the application has End task in it when I click right mouse button. So, this is how you can simply close your stuck or stubborn application easily on Windows PC. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.